Hi, I'm Robin. I'd like to introduce you to an Omara Ag seed-friendly belt conveyor. Our belt conveyors have become a seed industry standard. Heavy duty is the only way we build these conveyors. We offer several styles to suit your capacity and product needs, along with many great features and options. Our belt conveyors are available in various styles, including round bottom, slider bed, pan idler, and full roller. We offer tripper systems, ear corn letdowns, shuttle conveyors, and enclosed weather-tight shuttle conveyors. We use only quality heavy-duty bearings, drives, and components. These conveyors are fully guarded for safety. We use durable powder coat finishes, and we go into great detail in our quotation and approval drawings. We provide properly designed belt loaders to center your product on the belt and prevent leaks. Removable top covers are available as an option, as well as hinged bottom covers. Our belt idlers can be adjusted for belt tracking when needed. There are also some neat little features, such as drives and guards are ambidextrous. Tail shafts come drilled and tap both ends for rotation sensing. Discharges come with a mating flange that lets you fit it to the next piece of equipment. We also help you choose the right belting for your climate and conveying needs. These babies are easy to assemble, easy to install, and give you the best value. All this packaged and skidded in an exceptional way to ensure your product arrives as intended. Give us the opportunity to show you the value of working with us. At Omara Ag, we are built for seed.